Hello Amazon shoppers! It's Amy here with 911 Reviews, and today we are checking out one of the most versatile kitchen appliances on Amazon. You guys, this thing does it all. This is the Griddler from Cuisinart, and it is 5-in-1. It does panini press, contact grill, full grill, griddle, half grill, half griddle, half griddle. Basically, it does everything. You guys are gonna get so much use out of this, and this is going to be your new go-to grill. It has a drip tray integrated into it for your grease, so if you are concerned about healthy cooking, you need this. This is BPA free, so if you are concerned about high quality materials, again, Cuisinart, you can trust them. It's made of brushed stainless steel on the outside. It's totally beautiful. The plates are non-stick, and you can stick them directly into your dishwasher when you're done for super easy cleanup. You can see right here you have your selector on off and which side you want to deal with, and each side as well has two different selections for temperatures. So for example, you can be cooking your steak on the grill side, and then on the other side be doing like vegetables or shrimp, and so you can have, your dual selection, cook everything perfectly, really fast. This is just a really, really awesome tool. It's great from everything from hamburgers, grilled cheese, paninis, like vegetables, seafood, and probably my favorite thing to cook on it would be steak, because you guys, this can seal in. It's my new favorite way to cook steaks. It is so much easier, and you are going to get great foolproof results every single time. You don't have to worry about, like uneven cooking temperatures or something being hotter or less hot. Like, this is going to just take all of the guesswork out of cooking a steak. It locks and seals in temperatures at 500 degrees. Like, it gets crazy hot, which is amazing for such a little compact machine. Yeah, like 500 degrees, you can just sear that into your steak really quickly, and you cook your steak. It's juicy, it's flavorful, it's the exact right of charred on each side, exactly how you want it to be, quickly cooking it without worrying about burning, without worrying about getting rubbery steak or maybe one side more cooked than the other. It's just perfect every time. You guys, check out the Griddler. You are going to be really glad you did. You don't just have to take my word for it though. There are 16,000 other 5-star reviews on Amazon. Literally everyone loves this product. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You are going to be so glad you did.